In this video, I'm going to teach you how to extend your screen from your laptop onto your monitor. The reason that you'd want to do this is so that you can have your laptop and your monitor doing different things, so that you can have your chat up on your monitor and you can review that while you're doing most of your instruction from your computer. So to do this, you're going to right-click on your desktop, anywhere on your desktop, and then go down to Display Settings. When you click on Display Settings, you're going to see the display settings below. So you're going to, it's 1 and 2, it's all the same. And so what you're going to do is scroll down to where it says multiple displays. That's what you have, is multiple displays. Right now on my computer, it's duplicated. That's what it does by default. I'm going to click on Extend these displays. I'm going to keep those changes. And then I'm going to scroll back up. And what this does is it shows me where my screens are. My number 1 is my laptop. My number 2 is my monitor. If my monitor is to the right of my laptop, then I'm going to keep it there. If my monitor is over on the left hand side, then I'm going to drag it over to the left of my number 1 monitor. In my case, it's over on the right. And so once I do that, then I'm going to click Apply. And what that will allow me to do is I'll be able to drag any app like Teams off to the right to be able to put it on my monitor. Or if I drag it to the left, I can't get through that way. It has to go through the right-hand side of my screen.